everybody, and welcome to Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and today we're going to be looking at a product from Delinea's called Privilege Manager, and specifically we're going to be looking at some application policies. And the one we're going to be focused on within this particular session is a blocking policy. So let's get right into it. So we can see here we're in Privilege Manager, we're in application policies. We can see the policy that we've created already. So I'm going to show this, and I'm going to show it in action, and then I'm going to show how we create it. So let's get started. So we're going to come in here. Let's take a look at the existing policy so it knows what to do here. So we know that our application's target is going to be when SCP, and we know that we're going to block this particular application with a application denied action. And so we can see how we can just easily put these rules in place to make and guide the conditional logic of the privilege manager to be able to guide the user from elevating actions that they need to take, so or running particular applications. But in this particular case, we're going to be blocking a particular application when SCP. So let's do it. Let's run the demo here. We're going to come here to a block, and so we're going to come here and when SCP. Double click, and we're going to see it's blocked. We have the denied message comes up. This is the default denied message. This can be customized a bit, and we can switch the logo out here and so forth. But I wanted to show that when this happens, any event that occurs like this is actually always tracked back into the policy events, so we can see not only that the condition was triggered, but it'll be logged back into policy events as the logging of Privilege Manager, and so we can then report upon that later on. So we can see how that works. So now, next thing we're going to do is come to application policies. Let's see how would we create one of these. So we're going to come in here, and we're under Windows. We're going to create application policy. We're going to create a controlling policy. Then we're going to say block. How easy is that? So we can just go block, and we're going to block silently. So most of the time, what you're going to want to do for applications that are probably pretty much unknown or mysterious to a lot of the users within the organization, you're just going to block silently. And because those are probably applications they're typically not going to access that much, and it just kind of eliminates the noise. But if there are applications that you know that maybe you picked up in file inventory, or you picked them up with seeing the user interactivity and actions and seeing some of the data come back, and you want to actually notify them, that we had that notification message pop up when it showed that demo, so we could see that the message of the application was denied there per the corporate policies, and so that's how that works. So we would do a notify and block at that point in time. So you hit the notify and block, and this is where we can pick from our executables or installer packages and scripts. So if we were to come in here executables and pick an inventory file, for example, or a file upload. I did a file upload here when I created that initial policy because I downloaded WinSCP and then uploaded it here, so I could essentially create a blocking policy for it. So that's how that works here. So if we were to create that, then it's going to come in here and give us the option to upload a file. If it's coming here to existing filter, we can see all the filters that we can pull from. Some of these I've created, some of these are out of the box. And then inventory file, we had showed this in an earlier demo, where you can see that this is all the applications that Privilege Manager has pulled back and stored them within the Privilege Manager file inventory database. So that's how that looks, and that's how applications are blocked, and that's how it's set. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.